Hello friends, today we will learn about adaptations in animal. Hope you all are good. So, all of you know animals are found everywhere on earth. They are adapted to survive in their surrounding. Why they adapt themselves? Because if there is some change in the environment or they have to change their place, they have to change their behavior to survive. So the process of changing to survive in an environment is called as adaptation. You know what is the natural home of animals? The natural home of animals is called as habitat of that animals, where he get food and he get all the things which is needed for his life. So first of all, we will study about adaptation of animal according to environment. Whenever there is change in environment, the animals adapt themselves. If they don't adapt, they die slowly. So you know there are different types of animal. First are terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, aerobial animals and aerial animals. First we will learn about terrestrial animal. You know the animal that lives on land are called as terrestrial animals. So the terrestrial animals have a well developed sense organs, they have a legs to move, they have a lungs to breathe, they have a different body covering like fur, hair on their body to survive in their habitat. The animals that lives on desert also have a different kinds of adaptations. They are adapted to conserve the water in their body to protect themselves from hot conditions. The animals that live in the polar regions, they have a different kinds of adaptations. See, they have a dense layer of fur that protects them from cold. Under the skin of the animals, there is a thick layer of fat that is called as blubber. This blubber keeps their body warm. One of the example of polar animal is polar bear. Okay. Now you know penguins. Penguins are also common animals in the habitat of the South Pole. They have a thick layer of fat that is blubber in their body that keeps their body warm in extreme cold conditions. Okay, now we will study about aquatic animals. The animals that live in the water are called as aquatic animals such as fishes, crabs, turtles, ducks, whales and dolphin. So they are adapted to move easily in water, to breathe in water and to prevent water from being absorbed into their body. So they have a waxy covering on their body which helps them to absorb, which not help them to absorb the water. Okay, now you know what are amphibians? Amphibians are those animals that live both on land and water. So the animals that live both on land and water are called as amphibians. See, the example of amphibians are toads, salamanders and frog. Now we will see about arboreal animals. The animals that lives on trees are called as arboreal animals. So the example is monkey and tree lizards. So their body is designed to live on the trees. They have a strong claws and muscular limbs to climb the trees. They use their strong claws to hold on the branches of tree. You know, squirrel has a highly flexible ankle joint that help them to move up and down quickly in the tree. See, the monkeys and chameleon use their long tails as a fifth limb to hold on the branches while swinging from one tree to other. So this type of tail is called as prehensile tail. Now we will study about aerial animals. Animals that fly are called as aerial animals such as birds and bats. So they have a wings to help them to fly. They don't have a forelimbs. They also have a hollow bones which makes their body light and helps them to fly. The ability to fly allows them to travel longer distance in search of food. Bats do not have feathers on their wings. Their wings are made up of thin layer of skins. They are stretched across the arms and the fingers. There are some insects also that are aerial. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you for today.